Hello everyone, a very good noon to all of you. After a long 5 hours journey, at last I reached my uncle's house. Just look at the environment. Look, there is a big pond and there is nature everywhere. There is lot of trees available in this village, and now I am very close to nature and I really love this environment. You know, I told you in this Eid vacation I will come to my uncle house. At last today I have reached in this beautiful village, so I'm really excited now. Well, if I talk about my journey, I started my journey from 9 a.m. in the morning, and it wasn't a very good journey for me because as it's Eid season, there are a lot of people at the street, on the bus. They also want to go home and celebrate their Eid with their nearest and dearest one. So that's why it wasn't a very good journey, because the bus that I'm come here, it was full of crowd. Even there is no space to took your foot. Okay, so that's why it was a very tough journey for me, but at last I reached at this beautiful village. So now I'm very excited. I'm very tired now because I traveled in last 5 hours, so now I'm feel very tired. I even don't took my breakfast in the morning, so I'm a little bit of hungry also. So I need to go my uncle's home as soon as possible and then took my lunch and then take my lunch. Okay, but now I'm feeling very good because just look at the environment. It's really beautiful. It's mesmerizing. There is also a pond. It's really look beautiful. Just look at the beautiful village. Well, okay, let's tell you an interesting thing. The soil of this area is red. You hardly find this kind of soil in Bangladesh. You will find this kinds of soil in Gazipur. I also now I'm at in Gazipur district, and you will find this red soil Tangail as well in Bangladesh. Okay, so that's the speciality of this area. Maybe it's a kind of madrasa. I'm not sure, but maybe it will. Okay, I thought when I was in bus on that time, I thought I will make video when I will reach at this village. Okay, so if I talk about this village name is Raunite, which located Kapashi Upazila of Gazipur district in Bangladesh. It's really a beautiful village. Uh, okay, maybe tomorrow morning I will go out and roaming around and show you some elements that I will find. Okay, so now I'm very tired. I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the very best.